So a lot of students' accounts have been compromised. They've been getting phishing email galore. And once your account is compromised, then you need to go in, reset your password immediately. And you also need to delete any rules that you may have set up in Outlook that you know for a fact that you did not create those rules. I'll show you how to delete those rules, or at least go and verify whether or not you have rules set up. All right, so we have, so once you get to the single sign-on portal, you're going to go to Office 365, of course, because that's where your email is located. It is an Office 365 app. And once you click on Outlook, then I want you to go to Settings. Now, depending on what device you're using, right at the top of the screen where you see your initial, and then you have a gear. So I'm going to click on the gear, and as you can see, it has Settings, and then next to it you see Layout, and you see more in-depth information. So that is when you have your mail already selected. If I took General, do you see how it changes these headings? So make sure Mail is selected, and then when Mail is selected, just Compose and Reply. You have Attachments, Rules. That's where we want to go. Rules. So we're going to click on Rules. And then if you know that you have not created any rules, then it should say you have not created any rules or something to that effect. Yours should be clean. It shouldn't be anything here, all right, except Add New Rule. So anything that you know you didn't create that you see in this area, just, as you can see, just delete it out. All right? And that is how you would delete any rules that you may have in Outlook. When you have a compromised account, you need to reset your password immediately. You need to delete any rules that you have that you know you did not create. All right?